Oh, you better let it all hang out. Fat bottom girl, you make the rocking world go round. Beer, garage, fucking Chief U-Rag. If you haven't noticed, I got some tunes now. I'm fucking amped for what's going on behind me. And this there, and there, and there, and there, and there. It don't fucking matter. Anyway, we have a new beer today. Sierra Nevada Beer Camp Tropical IPA. Spring seasonal, a new beer every year. This is what we got. There we go. Never had it before. IPAs got a lot of bite to them. They are not for everybody. You must have an acquired taste from what I've seen to drink an IPA and like it and want to drink lots of them. IPAs are just... only word I got for it is just particular. But I like them, so let's see what we got here. Quite typical. Plenty of bite. It is good. One more time. Sierra Nevada Beer Camp. Good shit. Anyway, so if you haven't noticed by the music, I got the old surround sound going. As you can see behind me there, it is right above the speaker, just below the TV. And I'm pretty fucking psyched. I got one speaker right up there, right in between the two beer bottles. I got another one up there by the George Killian sign. I got another one right up here. And then I got one more right here. This is a big day. I love where this TV show is going. It ain't even gonna matter when I'm all done building everything in here and there's nothing left to build. It won't even matter, I'm telling you. But witnessing the building, witnessing the construction, witnessing step by step this process. Just you wait till I fucking proc on this garage. Just you fucking wait. This is fucking awesome!